Okay, this is just going to be a short screencast on Notability and the different uses for Notability, specifically the uses or the benefits for someone that might have an auditory processing disorder. This would be a difficult problem for both a student and a teacher to address in the classroom, especially in classrooms that have 30 kids, ambient noises, acoustics. Even if you have a microphone that you can use in a surround sound system and you use preferential seating, those can still be huge distractions to someone with an auditory processing disorder. And being able to follow along right with what the teacher is doing, I think, would be essential to success, especially when a lot of instruction is being given in the form of notes. Being able to follow along and understand what the teacher needs you to know would be essential. So Notability, how it works basically, and this isn't everything, this is just a quick overview, but you can see in this top left corner I have made a subject for each class that we teach. So conceivably, it would be very easy for you to organize yourself and have all of your notes and your visual cues in one place. If you want to start a new note, you just press this button, and then, let's say I'm taking notes in lit class, whatever I take, hello, I could then move that note into whatever, class it was for, so science. And I'll just show you some examples of another way that I think this would be particularly useful for teachers to help these students, is you could give the notes to a struggling student in advance to give them more time to process. Not only that, but they could pull up the notes and then be following along with you in class, so if they miss part of your instruction, or they do not understand part of your instruction or can't process it, they would still have the needed notes in front of them so that they're not missing what they need to know. And so basically I put a PowerPoint in here. You can also do a Word document. This is a lot of notes, but you could visually you can make it a lot bigger so it's easier to see. But anyway, as the teacher goes along, you can go along with the teacher, highlight. So I can press this highlight button and highlight whatever I need to. I can create a text box and make little notes for myself. And also you have the benefit here of being able to record. And a teacher could record the lecture in advance along with the notes, so that the student could listen to it in a less distracting environment. Or they can record the lecture as it goes and then be able to watch it and go back and process at a later time. So that's just a few of the uses I think that would be helpful with Notability. Just a few.